Welcome to Legacy IS Academy. Today I am going to discuss editorial analysis of Hindu newspaper, that is language as a barrier. So first of all we will try to understand the context of this article. So here recently Home Minister talked about we will provide education, we will provide like engineering, law and medicine to be taught in Indian languages. That is the context of this article. Why this article is important for us? Like we have GS paper 2. In GS paper 2 we have a topic of education, and this education is very important. Okay, when the education is available in the local languages, it again enhance our human resources. For that purpose this topic become important. Now first of all we will try to understand language or regional languages in India. So as per census 2011, there are 121 mother tongue which are spoken in India, and 22 languages are mentioned in our 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which account around 96% of the Indian population. So we have to understand linguistic diversity is very important, and Article 29 and 30 also uphold linguistic diversity in India. So we have to preserve this linguistic diversity, and same time we have to provide education at a local, in a local language also. Okay, now when we see vernacular language, in vernacular language, local language or regional language are very important. Like we have a report, 1953 report, the use of vernacular language in education by United Nations. It talked about two important aspects. Every child of school age should attend school, and best medium of teaching is mother tongue. So it is a scientific proof that okay, if we are providing the education in local language, people are or children are able to connect themselves with the physical environment, social environment, and they are able to connect at the emotional level also. All languages, even so-called primitive ones, are capable of becoming media of school teaching. So we know that okay, vernacular language is very important, and we have to promote it. Now new education policy also talked about like education as much as possible it has to be provided in home language, mother tongue, local language and the regional language. Now questions comes at childhood level, we have to promote the local language. Now we are planning to provide courses like engineering, law and the medicine at a higher level also. When we are going to provide courses at a higher level in a regional language, that is a good idea, because whenever you are studying till your 12th class in a local language, and whenever you are going into the degree, all courses are available in the English, then people are very uncomfortable. When you like the student who have studied in the local language, they feel uncomfortableness whenever they are entering into the graduation. But we have to remember one thing we have to remember, we should not discourage English also. Now when we see this local language, importance of local languages, it develop at a cognitive level. The mind of the students are going to develop whenever children is getting the education. Children are connecting with physical environment, children are connecting with social environment, and children are able to connect the material at emotional level also. So somehow when we are providing education in local languages, it is going to develop the cognitive aspect of the children, and moreover we can avoid commerce, official communication, internet, social media, but we should not avoid literacy and numeracy, and which must be available in the local language. So mother tongue is very important. Whenever children are studying in their mother tongue, it access or it create enabling environment. It also have to retain the study transitions also, and preventing dropout also. So for all that aspect, this local language become very important. Now to promote local language at graduation level, government have started some program like from 2021 to 22, AICTE granted approval of 19 engineering colleges in 10 states for having engineering courses in 6 Indian languages. That is a good idea. Like if you want to study in your local languages, courses are available, then you are able to connect yourself. Otherwise, whenever students are studying in regional languages and when they are pursuing their higher degree, they are not able to connect and they are not able to understand the material which is available. Second thing is, Council also developed AICTE Translation Automation AI tool that translate English online courses in 11 Indian languages. That is also a very good idea. Whenever a second challenge as of now, we have like courses are not available into the local languages, or material or important material are generally available in English language only. So this will help to provide local courses also. And SWAYAM, we have an open online course platform of central government which also provide local language. So some major government has taken. Now, what are the challenges when we are going to promote regional or local language? One thing is material. As I told, like good material is not available in the local languages, and what we read, that way we are going to things like important research papers are not available in local language. So we have to create enabling environment where important material must be available into the local language. And second thing is, proficient teachers are also not available into the local language. So first we have to promote, we have to also hire this local language led teachers also. An opportunity, for example, government have started to provide law in Hindi or local languages, but we know that like higher court language is English. So whenever you are getting a degree in local language and you are not able to proceed, or you are not able to speak in your local language in the higher court, that is again that challenge we have to address. And finally, like we have discussed like importance of the local language, major government has taken to promote local language, or what are the hurdles or challenges we have. And finally, what way forward is very simple. We should encourage local language at graduation level, but same time we should also encourage a language like English. We should not discourage the English also, because English can be a medium for communication of different linguistic people in India, and English can be a communicating medium and we are going outside India. Same way we can fail in English, or we can fail in Gujarati English, Hindi or Tamil also. Okay, and finally, whenever we are only studying in one regional language, and when we are going outside that region, we will not get the employment. So final argument is, we have to promote local language, same time we should not discourage the English as a language. And again, thank you for watching this video.